guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you but we're always smiling. Like you guys might realize on the last vlog, you could have heard in my voice, like I probably was a little bit, not probably was, I am a little bit disappointed. But even though through experience, like I know, like you're gonna always have a hive that has a different characteristic, because they're all different. You'll have a hive that is like a hard worker, a hive that's their main goal is just to get honey. You have a hive that their main goal is just to be like clean. Like they're like people. There are like several thousand organisms acting as one personality, so it's a part of it. But I don't really too sweat it though, because I know like in order like to develop or to grow, like you can end a year with like so many hives after a summer. You see me? So I'm like just banking on the summer, hope that hive just pulls through, because they are laying, they are doing pretty okay, but not as well as the others. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's how parents feel whenever they like have children and like one is like really smart and the other one is just not so smart. But anyway, I just spoke to my uncle just now and he's gonna be on his way up to link me, so I'm gonna go to Juicy Beef, get something to eat. But I doubt there's gonna be any breakfast there because it's like 10:41. So I just pretty much dropped Mocha off just now. You see me? Because I didn't want her to be in the car still. You know, while I'm trying to get food and it's gonna be hot and stuff, so I dropped her off. But yeah, just now I was driving out and like this guy was almost in the middle of the road and he decides to look over at the other side and like, he almost hit my car. Like I was like, God damn nigga, like aren't you watching the road? I'd be like, whoop! Dodge the bullet, baby. God bless. But like my good friend Matthew, I don't know if you guys remember Matthew from, you know, the starting of the vlogs. Yo, it's kind of heart-wrenching because this guy had a Mark II. It was, you know, needed a paint job, needed work, needed a lot of stuff. And I see him put his car together. I mean, first of all, I remember I was talking to him, you know, because sometimes people ask me for advice. You know, sometimes the best advice are free, but people don't really listen. But anyway, like my friend, he asked me, he was like, you know, I was talking about fixing this car, and I was like, yo, make sure your car is running, because that's the first and most important thing about any car, guys. Make sure your car is running. Make sure your car can take you from point A to point B before you even think about like styling a car. And then I remember he was like, he's gonna, you know, spray the car and, you know, do all these other fast stuff to the car and all that stuff. And I was like, well, it makes you comfortable, but you gotta remember, like a car, like anything can happen in a moment. Because just now I could have been in an accident just now, you see me, and like there we go. You know what I'm saying? Even though this car is supposed to try to help me better my life. But anyway, like, you know, he did whatever and he fixed up his car so nice. Like the car was resprayed, you know, looked so good. You know, I'm changing rims, bigger rims. The car looked like it was a completely different car. But then my friend met into an accident. The car flipped over and just right off, boom. And when I tell you that there's a tractor in front of me, kind of blocking up the road and stuff. But when I tell you that the car, yeah, when I tell you the car just came out of the shop, it means that the car came out of the shop like, bro, I don't even remember, probably like the end of December or something like that. And now it's February, and then boom, car flipped over. But like the best part about it, like he's okay, like, is it me? Like you didn't even know. And the funny part is like I decided to check his Snapchat. Like I was like, you know, make sure it's my friend alright, and thing. And when I saw the picture, I was like, yo, man, like I'm so glad that like I didn't wake up today and like, or wake up that day and know that yo, something happened to my friend, cause it's not a good feeling. But anyway, guys, yo, keep safe on the road. Guys, today's my lucky day. Somebody dropped the pass. So now I got two, just in case. Guys, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna feel full I know. So, I don't think the lighting is good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna feel full I know. I left my wallet. Zane, we're gonna be keeping. And I just go home a while ago, drop off the dog. I never pick up my wallet. I don't have money, I know. Oh my god, it is. Like I legit don't have $1, but I normally try to keep a little cash in there so for my gas. Remember I tell you guys in one of the vlogs about keeping money in that car? So it always come around handy, don't. Remember what I talked about in the last vlog? Be prepared, like preparing your own damn self. You know what I'm saying? So I got $450. And I got, well, a Mega Mart card. Oh, let me put this extra one inside here. I think I might have some coins down here, so I just have like $500 now. So guys, it's kind of funny when we talk about certain things that just end up just up. Look how we talk about in the last vlog, said just prepare for yourself, like make sure it's everything alright. And that's kind of my worry in life. There's a lot of things that I don't really prepare for, not really fully prepared, but I'm trying. Somebody not juice again. I'm not going to right now. I'm not buy 2 patty one time. I'm going to buy 1. Because I realize that I buy 2, I never feel fresh yet. I just feel as if I want to buy 1, test it out to be hot, buy another one. You see me? I hope for them have breakfast, but even know. So, how much you breakfast?
I'm going to upgrade for this. Chicken, $3.90.
$3.90 breakfast?
Yeah.
So I can't trust them, I left my wallet, you know. I can't trust our food, I left my wallet. Alright guys, so I'm doing my I never even ordered boiled dumpling, but them give me so. Just work with it here, man. Sweet potato, some banana, and some stewed chicken, and 2 fried dumplings. I have a game at a tennis game with my friend at like about 1 o'clock. It's now 11:33, so consume some food and mash that. I say I feel sad, you know, I go back.
Sad. Hard to get in Jamaica feel that type of energy and when people never get in Jamaica and just let it go so it's gone. Yeah man, this man start feel all miserable.
We know so I go back.
You know so now it's not that easy thing man. Naturalness of everything brethren. And the food, everything just different brethren. You eat all 12 o'clock at night and you get to eat.
Yeah.
So my body need food at Jamaica. Can't believe I get away from America with the food, you know. I stop eating a pure drink, I drink it like I can make juice and drink, you know. Nah, eat no food, you know.
No, them way, man. After I take it, yo, cause I did it for 4 months, man. I start get cranky.
No lie.